Slow Wi-Fi at home? Poor reception due to thick walls or distance? Want Wi-Fi in the backyard or porch? No worries. TP-Link has a solution for that. With the Deco family of whole home mesh Wi-Fi system, you can blanket the inside and outside of your home with strong and fast Wi-Fi. The Deco units work together to provide an ultra-fast and reliable Wi-Fi network throughout your home. With smart roaming and AI-driven mesh technology, you can experience seamless, stable connections. Powered by the latest Wi-Fi 6 and 6E technologies, Deco mesh systems provide a smooth and enjoyable Wi-Fi experience for multiple devices, whether you are video conferencing, streaming, or even VR gaming. Deco PoE, add versatility to your Wi-Fi setup. With built-in PoE, you can power your Deco units with an Ethernet cable without worrying about proximity to a power outlet. Install your Deco on the wall, or mount to a ceiling for optimal placement, giving you better Wi-Fi performance. Deco Powerline, a hybrid mesh and powerline device that provides a strong Wi-Fi network utilizing your home's existing electrical wiring as an Ethernet backhaul. Ideal for users who need Wi-Fi in structures with concrete, bricks, and other materials that may hamper Wi-Fi signal performance. Deco Outdoor, designed for those that need Wi-Fi outside. With flexible mounting and PoE design, you can mount the Deco on a pole or a wall to allow Wi-Fi deployment. Designed with resistance to water and dust, the Deco Outdoor system is made to weather the elements. The Deco family of mesh systems offer a solution that caters to virtually any scenario with expansive coverage for a plethora of devices.
Customers find the Wi-Fi mesh system easy to configure and appreciate its reliable performance throughout their homes. The system provides strong signal strength and high-speed internet, with one customer noting it works better than their Verizon service. Customers consider the product solid and reliable, with one mentioning it has been working well for almost a year, and they find it worth the price. The connectivity aspect receives mixed feedback, with some customers reporting reliable connections, while others experience connection issues. AI generated from the text of customer reviews.